this is our 4G OBD tracking device. We use this for fleet management purposes. So if you have a fleet of vehicles, you can simply plug this device into all your vehicles and then see them real time on a map and see where they are. If you have a service company, you can get the closest responders to go to a job when it appears. This also has features where you can see the history of the device, so you can check times booked out on jobs and make sure that your business is running as efficiently as possible. Also, this can be used for security purposes, that you can get alerts if the vehicles are being used at the weekend or at night. Possibly somebody could be trying to steal the vehicle.